TCL has just announced a brand new lineup of smartphones, which includes 2 new handsets, one of which is 5G compatible, which is a first for TCL. What's more, you're able to get these phones for under £300 when they initially come to market. Well, to tell you the truth, TCL did announce 2 other handsets, but they didn't give any information on them whatsoever. And they literally just said that more information will be coming soon. The 20 series handsets, which are set to replace the current 10 series handsets that are currently available, promises to improve performance as well as provide customers with a great design and, more importantly, affordability. TCL are known for their displays, and it's no different here, with the 20 series handsets featuring the latest iteration of TCL's NXT Vision, which promises to push the SDR to HDR conversion further, with improvements to color calibration and eye safety features, as well as the overall clarity of the image. Some devices from TCL are also set to feature dedicated display engines that are combined with AI software to push that visual performance further. Which models right now aren't really known, but I think I'm safe to say that this type of feature will be more towards their flagship handsets. The AI works on an algorithm and can detect your environment's lighting conditions as well as what is being watched on screen, and determines the best brightness, contrast and clarity to ensure the quality of your footage never drops. So let's quickly run down the models of each handset. First is the TCL 25G, which features a large 6.67 FHD plus notch display, can support HDR10 playback and also real-time conversion from SDR to HDR qualities. Inside you will be able to find an 8mm octa-core Snapdragon 690 chipset, and more in-depth specs are to follow once information becomes fully available, but still it's looking pretty impressive so far. You can also find a 4,500 mAh battery inside too for those power users out there. Now let it be known that TCL will also be able to switch between 4G and 5G depending on signal and also power usage to save battery. There's a triple camera setup powered by AI, which offers autofocus improvements over the 10 series phones and also video stabilization for a better quality low light photo. Its max megapixel size comes in at 48, and from what we've seen so far, images do look nice and crisp. The 25G comes in mist grey and placid blue, and which I must say the blue does look great, and you can find them for around €299, as UK pricing hasn't been announced yet. Now lastly, you have the TCL 20 SE, which offers exactly the same NXT Vision tech of the 25G, but offers a 6.82-inch screen which has a 90% screen to body ratio. The aspect ratio is a little wider than usual at 20.5 by 9 to offer better media consumption on the device. You've also got high-res audio compatibility and a 5,000 mAh battery, as well as a dual speaker setup for better audio quality. It's all powered by Qualcomm's octa-core processor, although the exact one hasn't been revealed yet. The camera also has some interesting AI-powered modes, which include an object eraser, which clears unwanted clutter from your photos, and a color and sky enhancement feature. You'll be able to find the TCL 20 SE for £149 here in the UK, which I must say makes for a pretty decent bargain if this kind of spec can be delivered fully. TCL is also working on a multi-screen collaboration which will aid users in seamlessly sharing content across TCL phones, tablets, PCs and televisions. More details are going to be announced later on in the year, but it does look as if it's going to work on the NFT type technology. So what do you think about the new TCL phones? Are you fussed about buying the latest flagship handsets from Apple and Samsung, or do the specs of something like the TCL 20 5G impress you enough to save yourself some cash on your next handsets? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much for checking out our TCL mobile phone roundup for CES 2020. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos, and also subscribe to keep up with our CES 2021 content, as we are going to be releasing videos over the rest of this week of all the major announcements. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.